How to turn on or turn off show gestures trial in Gboard, Google, keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. After click on Gboard, click on Grid Typing and you will see Show Gesture Trial is here. If you want to show gesture is if you want to turn off show gesture trial, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see show gesture trial is turn off. If you want to turn on show gesture trial, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see show gesture trial is turn on. You will turn on or turn off show gesture trial from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off show gesture try in Gboard, Google Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.